It's election time again in Korea, and as we get closer to the voting time, which is I think the 1st or the 2nd of this month, June, more and more of these frenzied people come out convincing and persuading you to vote for their candidate. So there's these trucks here, and people, they drive around, and people who want to get voted in give their little lectures. So at every subway entrance and exit, there's a whole whack of different parties bowing to you, saying, vote for our candidates.
1번 찍어주실 거죠? 그러면 노래할게요. 너를 보내는 듯하에 나는 바람이 슬프고
It's pretty insane. I'm not a political person. I don't really think that any one party can change anything, except for maybe on a national level, but they really get into it. But these trucks with huge speakers blare, and it drives me insane. Who am I to say? I just don't believe in people getting so wild over politicians. And there might be like 8 in each area. I guess this guy here dominates out around here. Anyhow, just something that goes on every once in a while here, and it's something to see, but it's hard to sleep when they're yelling so much. Have a great time. This is a great place to have chicken. I've been here before. Bye-bye.